All right, what's up, everybody? Today, I want to tell you about one of the hidden benefits of learning how to trade Forex. So, of course, once you learn and become a decent trader, you'll be making really good money, usually between 10 and 15% of your account, more or less per week, which is already great. But the other benefit you get is through learning trading Forex patterns and strategies. You'll also learn how to trade other markets like stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and precious metals, and basically any other market out there. We trade based on a price action strategy, and price action is based on human behavior. So this means when you're ready to start investing your money long term, you'll better know the best times to get in and out of your investments. So over here at the Currency Collective, we know that every trade is either a breakout, a trend continuation, or a reversal. So let's look at some examples of other markets forming the exact same patterns as Forex patterns. All right, over here on the GBP USD, we have what's called a head and shoulders. This is a reversal pattern. So you got your shoulder here, and your head right here. So when you see a pattern like this, it means the price is very likely to reverse in the other direction. And that's exactly what happened. Came way down. Now that's a Forex pair. Now we can look at, we'll look at a cryptocurrency. So this is Bitcoin. Same exact pattern. We have shoulder here, and head right here, and price reverses down. Quick little side note, I really do think that Bitcoin is coming down. I know a lot of people think it's going up to 100,000, 300,000, 1 million. I've heard all types of different predictions. Honestly, I think it's coming down. I don't really know how far down it's going to go, but I have sold all my Bitcoin as of a couple of days ago. I don't really have a whole lot of faith in this chart right here, but just a little side note. We'll see what happens. All right, so let's look at an engulfing top. This is the Euro US dollar or Forex pair. Price comes up. Big engulfing candle here. Little consolidation before the price comes crashing down. And then if we look at the Johnson & Johnson stock, price comes up. Big engulfing candles here. Little consolidation before the price comes crashing down. Same exact thing. Even if you look at precious metals, so this is gold. Price comes up, got an engulfing candle here, little consolidation before the price comes down. Same exact thing, no matter what type of market it is. They all have the same patterns. So yeah, when you do become a good trader, you can invest your money in other markets long term, and you can feel safe knowing you'll know best when to get out, when to buy, when to sell, and things like that. Or even if you wanted to day trade on the stock market, or if you want to day trade precious metals or day trade commodities, you use the same exact skills that you learn in the Forex markets, the exact same set of skills. So the world of investments is very big. There's plenty of ways to make money here. Let's see. All right, that's all we have for today. Kind of a short video. Make sure you check out the new website, www.ccxcollective.com, and follow me on the socials. I'll talk to you guys later.